We've got some good stuff to go over today. Got these two filaments sent out to me. Conjure. We've got a dual black and red. Hard to see because we got this little silver thing here. But we got black and red. And it's super shiny. Love this already. And Chameleon, purple, and blue. I think this one's going to be much more mild, but this still, I think, is going to turn out super awesome. We're just going to do a small little print with each one of these to compare how they turn out. But this is one of my favorite prints, so without any further ado, let's get into printing them. All right, prints have been printed, and let me tell you, I love the contrast of this red and black dual color filament. So this is just a little fidget toy here, but this gives you a great example. Come on. This really shows you the color shift between the two. So here we've got the black, and then nice little gradient changeover to just a very bright red. And I love the shine on this. This has probably the most shine on any filament that I've used before. So this is going to be awesome for your cool models that you want to have do a hard color shift. Now, the other filament that we got, the blue purple, I like this for very different reasons. So this one, you can see the closer that you get to it, let's go on this side, we've got this awesome fleck pattern. There you can see it. And it gives you almost a galaxy kind of look to it. And that's awesome. And you can see with both of these, with this little fidget, sticks very dimensionally accurate. And printed perfectly. Didn't have any issues printing either of these. I did get a little bit of stringing at first, but that's because I did not dry my filament and it's been humid out here. But check this out. This is, you can see I got some stringing in there. That's my own fault, but you can see the speckling in this. I printed this at 0.2. And that's just, it prints beautifully, prints perfectly, and I love that little galaxy style speckling in there. And you can see a little bit of a color shift in there as well, just depending on what angle you're looking at it. And for that two-tone, again, we've got our black shifting into red. And that is such a bright, vivid red. I absolutely love how that red looks. And then shifting back into the black. So this filament is absolutely awesome. You can get it on Amazon. I will put a link for that in the comments and pinned in the description. In the description, pinned in the comments. You get where I'm going with that. Anyways, if you need a very vivid red that switches aggressively to a black, check this out. If you're looking for a cool speckled filament, this one's awesome. Both nice and sturdy. I'm gonna show you a couple close-ups of this here. Check those out and then check out one of these other videos here. All right. Thanks, guys.